So I got my very first ever Paradise Fibers box. I haven't actually opened it. I just sort of undid the tape part so that way I could film it faster. So let's see what we have. Yay! What do I have here? Yes! Okay, so I'm super excited about this because I requested the Harry Potter edition of their box, which I've seen other people open, and that's looks like that's what I've got. Yay! I'm super excited about this. Yay! So I'm gonna open this in a second. Actually, no, I'm gonna open it now. You have to forgive the bad cameramanship at this point, though. Let me see here. I like my wax seal, so I'm gonna try to keep that on there. Alrighty. Sorry. Hold on. Okay, so let's see here. Bumble portal. I love these names. Odin Talon, Griffin Gate, Slitherson, and Snortlepoof. I'm gonna read these. I'm gonna read this in just a bit, but I absolutely love that. That is too cute. So much attention to detail. Okay, so first thing I see whenever I open the box is I see a sort of inventory list about what's supposed to be in here. So that's awesome. Looks like we've got a lot of nice things. Okay. Alrighty. So, first thing I see is Book of Spells box, which is absolutely adorable. And then I see this pretty white bag here. Ooh, it's velvety too. And then I see this pretty sort of velvety or suede bag, the black bag. And then I'm guessing this is my awesome little... Oh, okay. So this describes my wand. This is awesome. So I get a mahogany wand with a Navajo churro wool core. And this is my lovely little, my wand. Look how beautiful. How adorable is that? And so this is in lieu of regular sort of orifice hooks, which is absolutely fantastic. And it's all glittery and stuff. So that's awesome. I love it. Okay. And then, let's see, we got this, which is the black bag of wool, which I'm not sure what it is yet. But let's see here. Ooh! This is lovely. Okay, so I'm not sure how well you can see this. I'm going to try to take this out on camera, but we will see. Oh, okay, good. She's scaring my cat. This way. Okay. Hopefully you guys can still see what's going on here. Move the cutting board out of the way. Okay, so hopefully this will come out without too much trouble. Ooh. I have the Slitherson colorway. Look how pretty that is. And it's got like blacks and silvers and greens. That is lovely. It's very snaky. Good job, Fiber. Paradise Fibers. This is beautiful. Although I am normally 100% proud Gryffindor, I will accept this as a one-off. Just saying. Okay, set that down for now. And then I'm guessing that this is going to be... Okay, so this is a bulky carded Cordell Cerberus colorway. So it's kind of like fluffy. Oh, okay. So it's kind of like Patronus, but it's a Cerberus instead. And mine is a deer, which is protective and nurturing. And I got this lovely, like, deer color, fawn-colored brown. It's really nice. It's really soft, too. I like it. These are nice bags. And then in my little magic, my book of spells, I have a Philosopher's Stone. It's a cute little rock thing. One chocolate gold coin, which is really cute. And then this absolutely adorable little Harry Potter sheep sticker. Like, oh my god, how cute is that? And then I've also got the an invitation to participate in the first ever spinning cup, complete with members from your respective house, to win up to 1,000 Paradise points. Ooh. So yeah, I'm gonna look into that and see what that's all about. So yeah, that's it. And everything is absolutely gorgeous, except that I'm Gryffindor. But that's okay, like I said. I can accept it as a one-off. I wonder if that's what this is all about, because this is highlighted, or green, instead of being just the plain blacks. So, or excuse me, not Gryffindor. Gryffingate is my usual house name. That's okay. Everything is still awesome. So thank you so much, Paradise Fibers. I love it.